Hi guys, part 2. Sorry, just because I accidentally turned off my camera, and when I turn off my camera, like, it just thinks that I'm done with the video and it goes to where I have to upload it. So there will be a part 1 and a part 2 about this cookie. But anyway, okay, my cookie is in there. So let me take it out because it's probably it is hot right now. Dang, it's hot. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, add a little bit more cheese, and I'm just telling y'all that I got this from like this for this. I did not make this all by myself. I got this from this, but still, like, don't forget I said that because I made this all by myself. You didn't do nothing. I made this all by myself, didn't I? I added the cheese. I did everything. So don't try me in the comments talking about, so you didn't bake that? But it really does work that you can just like put water in your noodles in the microwave and it worked. I've tried it before. It worked. So yeah. But yeah, it's cheesy. Y'all see that? It's like some edible slime. Like, y'all. Like, it'll need some activator, but my activator is gonna be some water. I like cheese. I like cheese a lot. You get it? I like cheese a latte. It did not fall on the floor. Anyways, I'm eating a cookie. I got tired of waiting for this. So I just ate the whole thing. Did I put it back in there? I'll be back after I stir this. Okay, so I stirred it and stirred it. This is chunky. Chunky. This is chunky.
Where go, Carter?
I stirred and stirred. Stirred and it's still chunky. But, yeah. Anyways. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And comment down below if I should change my intro. You have to watch part 1 to understand what I'm saying now. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Yeah, and yeah. So yeah, comment down below if I should change my intro. I feel like I should change my intro. Cause like I'm getting tired of saying, "Hey guys," no right, "Hey guys, it's me, Ashley Deja Raves," and like slay all day. I want to start saying that, but I don't know. Like, but should I change my intro? Hey, should I change my? But yeah. So comment down below also if this worked for you. Like, and don't add a lot of milk like I did. Like, I did not mean to lips. I was not paying attention. It looked good though. Let me get our shop face. Okay. So this go back here. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. That's what I've been saying for the past 2 minutes. And yeah, bye. Hey, hey, okay, okay. No, this is just the one. Not even trying for that. So yeah, bye.